We are, okay. Because of the meeting? Yeah.
Whose kid are you?
Oh, nice.
Hot?
Well, you know,
Want some
hopefully
aqua?
you'll make it to work after that.
Yeah.
All right, thank you. Bye. Say salsa. Say salsa. Is that good?
Do you like that?
Yeah, you've got more in there. You're good.
You want more? Oh my gosh.
Oh, there's a chip in there.
Get the chip out of there. Who wants salsa with their chip?
Exactly. Oh, thanks. Okay.
You don't want the chip, do you? Is that healthy?
How much are you gonna eat? There was a lot in there. Can I have some on my chip? Mmm. Alright. Here we go. Are you done now?
Are you done?
Are you accepting?